Hello everyone, today I want to show you a quick video talking about this Google Photos that you can log into as My Skin on computer by go to Google browser and log as Gmail and click the Google eye and scroll down you will see the photo and click yes. And now you can explore as what you want by this button. However, you can store it. You can store your photo as to the 50 gigabyte, and yeah. So if you want to upload it, you can click upload. It will to direct to computer this function, and this function go to direct and Google Drive. However, it will be automatically to your phone if you connect this Gmail to your phone, and it will be automatically. Okay, and it is explore as what you want. If you have more photo, exactly it wasn't in Google Photo, even though you did not write the title or photo, it will be automatically import and identify the photo is the, the item of place. Example, you take a car, you take home, you take photo of yourself, take photo of somebody, it will automatically rename or identify what the place or what is the item that you take is name. And it is the CS button is very good for your consent to anyone. By put the condition is you want to put the condition as someone see or not, or a specific person. It is a favorite album and title or choose a trust. I hope that you will enjoy this video and you can improve it by go to create a Gmail and log into the from the browser and go to the app. Google app, scroll down and see the photo and click it and try to do as much as you can. Don't worry, it's not really a error because it is the Google product. Thank you very much and see you next video.